Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to speak to ChatGPT. First, what you need to do is go to your App Store or Google Play Store. Once you are there, just type in GPT, keep on search. You want to make sure that it's this one. It says ChatGPT OpenAI. All the others are not by OpenAI, so they're not the original app. So make sure you download this. Once you have downloaded this one, you can open it, or if you are on your computer, just type in chatgpt.com, log in and get started. If you come here, once you have opened up the app, you see at the middle right, you see the headphones icon thing. So what you want to do is you want to click on, you need to give it a second so that it connects, and basically now it's listening to. And for example, how are you doing? Doing pretty good. And basically, if you tap the bottom left, you are going to stop this thing. If you want to activate it again, just tap on it again. If you want to exit out, just click on the X at the bottom right, and that's it. At the top, it's going to tell you how much you chatted with it for, and basically give you the entire chat. And that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, if you're on your computer, laptop, PC, whatever, there isn't an option to do it. At least I don't see it when it's on the screen. So the best way is just to use your mobile. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what's the problem in the comments down below. If it worked for you, also comment something below. It helps me out a lot. If you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month. Link is in